You are a doctor. You save lives, work long hours, and carry immense responsibility. But here's the shocking truth. You are one of the most targeted groups for financial scams and bad investment. Why? Because people know you're busy, you trust easily, and you often lack the time and mental bandwidth to dig into the details. Property agents, MLM schemes, insurance salespeople, banks, investment clubs, they are all lining up to sell you something. Dr. Anwar Hidayat, a senior doctor, shared this very powerful message on Facebook that I stumbled upon, that every doctor in Malaysia needs to hear. As a licensed financial advisor, I want to amplify her advice because it could save you from so many costly mistakes. Now, the best investment for any doctors isn't its stocks or property, it's yourself. Right? Build your skill, grow your reputation, as you say, and focus on your subspecialty. A skilled doctor with a strong clinical value will never be poor. Your expertise is your greatest asset. And so many doctors don't fully grasp this concept of debt service ratio, percentage of your income that goes towards paying your long-term debts. If it's too high, you're in trouble. Learn it, track it, and keep it under control. And Dr. Anwar Hidayat also wants salary does not make you rich. Your financial system does. Keeping a specialty income doesn't mean that you are financially safe. Financial freedom requires discipline, planning, delayed gratification. Build assets and skills slowly but steadily. Compete with yourself, not your peers. And the next one is pretty funny. Do not be the bank for your friends and family. Now, I want to tell you, based on what I observe from own doctor clients, it's no secret. Doctors in private practice in Malaysia earning about 60,000 to 200,000 in a month, right? Which can make you a big fat target to borrow money from, right? Don't fall into this trap for your friends or relatives. Protect your finances and set boundaries. And next point, you say, doctors don't like to talk about finances. That silence is why many repeat the same financial mistake. Well, I might have a slightly different view on this because doctors do talk about finances, but it's not in the form that you may expect. Like, they talk like this. At the doctor gathering, a doctor may say, I made a bad investment, I bought these stocks, and they dropped, and I lost money equivalent of a BMW 3 Series. And then another doctor joined the conversation and tries to outdo the first. He said, that is nothing. The money I lost from my stocks is equivalent to a BMW 7 Series. It's like they're trying to outdo each other, how much money they can afford to lose. Like, it's crazy, right? So, he said, better seek advice from senior doctors who are doing well financially, accountants, or even faster financial planners, right? And this is a point I love very much. Beware of property gurus and investment clubs. Young doctors especially are so vulnerable to flashy promises of property gurus and investment group. These traps often lead to overpriced properties, unrealistic business venture, investment schemes disguised as professional networks. And one doctor that I personally know confessed that in the early days have lost over close to $1 million investing in a GP clinic with force for inaccurate profit projection. Bad investment really can lock you into high commitment, negative cash flow, and personal loans that suffocate your finances. Overpriced insurance plans and poor business decisions can strip away your flexibility and also delay your own early retirement. As doctors, I think the best thing you want to know is trust but verify. Build financial awareness and literacy. The Malaysian Medical Association actually did a very impressive job to organize financial literacy programs, webinars for doctors in 2021. I know this because I was one of the invited speakers. And I'm not sure if MMA is still doing that. But if not, if I'm a doctor, I will follow peers like Dr. Anwar Hidayat.